Modernity has practically wiped out the vestiges of the past, beyond the economic development that may be present in the municipality. It is believed that there is a need to go back to its genuine identity, its heritage, and precious the priceless inheritance, bequeathed upon the Bayambangeños of their forebears. You are therefore enlightened about one of its legacy trails, the St. Vincent Ferrer Parish Church. Visiting St. Vincent Ferrer Parish Church, a 400-year-old church that has been established in 1619. A few stories believe that the divine providence for Bayambang is believed to be the saint itself. Devotees and churchgoers, especially those coming from afar, were eager to touch the relic of the saint because of its miraculous ability to protect its devotees. Along with the rich historical heritage of the town, its focus is to promote transparency, accountability, while progressively protecting its environmental resources. The holistic approach of the local government of Bayambang concerning sanitation promotion, economic growth and stability, development of infrastructure, and protection of preservation of its natural resources. Witnessing its one cultural activities such as Kalutan Eddalan, which is said to be one of the biggest street party that is solely about Bangus Festival held every 30th of April. It remains the blockbuster of the festival and anticipated by people from different parts of Pangasinan who flocks to the city to either experience or enjoy grilling the famous bangus along the street of the Venecia Highway. Kalutan Eddalan contributes to city's economic stability, particularly the promotion of bangus. Moreover, Bayambang is the Guinness record for the longest barbecue grill. Aside from this modern record the town can boast about, Bayambang is known for two interesting examples of heritage, the Binasuan and Buro. The first is an acrobatic folk dance involving balancing and twirling. Second is the type of strong-smelling fish toss. Furthermore, it would be a worthwhile experience to not miss Bayambang's delicacies, such as the pride itself of the town, the bangus stew, which is made up mostly of bean innards or kaliskis. Glazed nuts that have been a household name of the town in nearby provinces for close to 6 decades. Along with the rich cultural activities and sustenance, Balang Bayambang as the municipality tends not to forget to promote some advantageous work like job fairs and community-based blood donations, giving chance to the people of Bayambang to be productive and supportive to their fellow Bayambangeños. Numerous things can indeed be done in Balang Bayambang. It is certainly an alluring place for tourists as well as the people residing it. Galila at Balang Bayambang.
Who will be crowned as Miss Gay Quarantine 2020?